This video will cover the Vertiv DSView solution RM1048 device discovery process. The target device that I'll be adding is a service processor. Once you've physically connected your target to the RM1048, ensure that it's configured as a DHCP client so it can receive an IP address from the RM1048. Next, you'll log in to the RM1048 web interface or the CLI. From here, navigate to Network Configuration, DHCP Settings, and then Leased IP Address List. On this page, you can locate the IP address assigned to the target by matching its MAC address. The next step is to create a credential profile for the new target device. On the left-hand side, under Administration, select Credential Profiles. From here, you can verify or create a new profile with the correct username and password for the target device. You are now ready to discover or add your target device. On the Appliance View page, select the plus sign in the top right corner to add or discover your new device. In the Add Device menu, enter the IP address from the DHCP lease, select the appropriate device type, and assign the credential profile. Now select Discover and monitor the discovery process. It can take several minutes. On the left-hand side under Targets, select Discoveries to view the current, ongoing, or previous discoveries. If the discovery is successful, you'll see the device appear in the Targets list or Appliance View page. This concludes the video on how to add and discover a new device on the RM1048.